Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Brandon Woodard and I'm here to introduce you today to our new 2020-17 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Coming to the transom of the boat, we have a optional 115 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. This is a 2.1 liter inline 4-cylinder. Right beside the motor is the newly designed teak swim platform that Montauk has incorporated. It does have a ladder at an angle to keep you away from the engine whenever you're boarding. You do notice this boat does have the removable rod holder backrest for the rear lounger. These seats do remove from the boat for whenever you're fishing to give you that hard fiberglass gel coat step whenever you need it. This boat also has the reversible leaning post. Underneath is a good sized live well. As you move forward in the cockpit, you will notice this boat does have the 7-inch Axiom Raymarine. This has your chart plotting and all the instrumentation you would need on the water. It also does include analog gauges with your rocker switches. You've got a full-size Raymarine VHF, and you've also got a Bluetooth Fusion stereo with JL Marine speakers. You'll do notice this boat does have a full-length Bimini top to keep you in the shade on the hot summer days, with cross bracing that comes down to the middle to keep everything stable while you're underway. This 17 Montauk does have the fishing package. It gives you 4 rod holders in the front and a nice backrest with the cooler beneath to give you front seating. You've also got full lounge bow, nice cushions, and underneath there is a full-size fish box to put the big ones whenever you're on the water. This boat does also come with the trolling motor option in the front, and it has the galvanized 5-lug disc brake trailer with a breakaway tongue. My name is Brandon Woodard, coming to you from Wrightsville Beach MarineMax. Our number is 910-256-8100. Feel free to come out and take a look at this boat in person or give us a call.